Welcome to Mora FC. It is what it is, guys. This is the right way. This is the best way how to sew a fabric at the bottom of your senator top. The bottom of it, how to sew a fabric at the bottom, as you can see right now. You can see how beautiful. I'm going to give you all the details. That's going to help you to achieve the best results. This is the best way. This is the right way. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see very beautiful. So I'm going to give you all the tips, all the tricks that's going to help you to achieve the best of it. So if you're new to this channel, do well subscribe, like and share, tell a friend to tell a friend about Mora FC. If you're a returner, thank you for returning back. If you're new, do well subscribe, like and share, tell a friend to tell a friend, ask question. So without wasting much time, so let's get started. So you choose any fabric that you want to use for the bottom of your t-shirt or your senator top. You choose any fabric that you're going to go by it. It depends the color, so this is the wrong side, you can see it, and this is the right side. So you place right side to right side. This is where you have to calculate. You have to calculate and see, I want that bottom, as you can see, I want it to be ½ inch or quarter of an inch. You ask yourself, is it ½ inch or quarter of an inch that you want that bottom design to be? So after that, you multiply it by 4. So if it is quarter of an inch, you multiply it by 4, you add another quarter of an inch to it. Do you understand? Or if you want to make it ½ inch, you multiply it by 4, then you add another ½ inch to it. There's a reason why when you multiply it by 4, you need to add another extra ½ inch to it or quarter of an inch to it, so that it helps you to achieve the best results. So after that, just go to your sewing machine, then you sew it. You can see I've already sewed that part. So you're going to place right side to right side on the right side of the senator tab. You place right side together, then you sew. You can sew quarter of an inch or you can sew ½ of an inch. So here I have my 2 inches. Here is more than 2 inches, like 2¼ of an inch. It have to be more than that. It is what it is. So after that, you sew. You can see I sew so that, like I said, right side will face. Then you sew on top. After that, we're gonna flip it to the wrong side. Just look exactly what I'm doing right now. Look exactly what I'm doing. You can see how I'm ironing it. Check the way I'm ironing it. Check the way I'm letting it laying flat. Don't fold it this way, and don't fold it around also that way. Don't fold it like that. You just have to let it lay there like the way it was, let it lay there like the way it was, like you have not sewn anything. So you just have to iron it. So if you are new to the channel, do subscribe, like and share, tell a friend about Mora FC. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, it's all about Mora FC. It is what it is. So you're going to fold this way. You can see that's how you're going to do. So check what I'm going to do here right now. I'm going to fold at the tip of it, quarter of an inch. I was just checking if my camera is still recording. You fold quarter of an inch at the tip of it. You can see I'm folding quarter of an inch. So if you have more, then you can fold ½ of an inch. So you can see, then just so after that, you just fold it. It's like the way we pop a neck. Are you see the way we pop a neck? That is how it's supposed to be. The way we pop a neck, it's the same thing. It's like we are popping the bottom of it. It's like we are popping the bottom of it. So let's go onto the sewing machine, then let's go and sew it for you to see. So we're back here. Have you seen here? You can see a thread at the bottom at the wrong side, but when you look at the top here, there's no top stitching. I didn't do top stitching in front of the design that you see. So this is how it's going to look. I'm going to explain it to you here for you to see. If you have not seen the way I folded it, I want to show you here. So when we fold, we're going to sew exactly at this tip, not on top of the black fabric. We are not going to sew on top of the black fabric. No, don't sew on top of the black fabric. We just have to sew exactly at this corner. That is where we're going to stitch. So that's why it's advisable for let the bottom be enough and long than the front one. When sewing this way, you have to be very careful. Take your time, don't rush. Just take your time, do not rush. If you are new to channel, do well, subscribe, like and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about more IFC. It is what Charlie ask question. Ask question. If something is bothering you, just ask question. Motivate us, motivate me by sharing, give me a thumbs up, and keep pushing the channel. It's more IFC. It is what you can see that I'm taking my time sewing exactly at the corner. I'll show you the results of it. So when you're doing it, you just have to be careful, don't rush, take your time. Take your time. Like I said, don't sew on top of the black fabric. Don't sew on top of the fabric. So after we're done, you can see, have you seen the way it's going to look? It's going to hold it back. That's why I say here have to be longer than enough. You go through the process like how we pop the neck. You can see I have no sew on top of the black. You can see the stitches over here. So this is how to stitch it the perfect way. Very, very simple and easy. It is what it is. Like I said, don't sew on top of it. I see some people do it, they don't sew on top of it. That's not the right thing to do. You can see, if I look inside, you can see that the thread that we joined, this one has covered it. You can see that the thread is inside. So this one will cover that thread. So when you sew on top, then it will affect this part. You understand? When you sew on top, then you just have to hold that part together. So this is the wrong side though. This is the wrong side that you see. I didn't use the matching thread at the bottom of them. I just want you to see how it is. To understand? I just want you to see how it is. That's why I didn't use the matching thread at the top, at the bottom of it, for you to see the outcome of it. Thank you so much. I will appreciate you learning. Thank you. If you have a question, do well and ask and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about more IFC and keep on pushing. Never stop learning, Never stop learning. Keep pushing yourself. Keep practicing it. So if you look at here, you can see that there is no top stitching here. You can see, but when you look at the small video that I show on top, you can see that there's a thread under it. You can see that